Hi friends, today we are making a super fun page for the Altered Book Junk Journal. We're going to begin with a cute picture of a dog with a little rose in its mouth, and you can see here that I am decoupaging the back of a calendar, and on the opposite side is the picture of the dog. And that's what we're going to start with, and that will be the foundation of the left side of this spread. Most of you know this, but if you're new to using decoupage, I'll give you this little hint. You can see how I put one side of the paper down and I'm working my way and pressing across the paper as I go. And I do that to make sure that no air bubbles got stuck underneath of it. If you lay the whole thing down at once, you will definitely have air bubbles under there and you can't get them out later. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the Mod Podge to seal the top of this picture onto the book page. My husband had given me tulips for Valentine's Day because he knows they're my favorite, and so it had this wrapper on the beautiful glass container vase that it came in. And so I thought, oh, that'd be so pretty in one of my altered book junk journals. So I took it off and now I'm going to use it on this page, and I think it's just perfect. Because of the shape of this, I don't want to use glue in the bottom of it because I don't want to take up space. So I am going to use some translucent tape right along the bottom. I'm going to press the tape down really well so you can't really see it, but just to be sure, I'm going to choose a piece of decorative paper and put some tacky glue on it and just slide that right over the tape. I'm preparing to embellish the half page. I'm going to tacky glue this red piece of decorative paper on, and then later on at the very end of this video you'll see that I added some note cards to this little half page, and in the note cards I included one of my positive messages. And to add a finishing touch, I am using my gold metallic marker on the edges of the page. Now I'm going to set the foundation for the opposite page. And I'm going to use this really pretty green paper, and I will put that down with my tacky glue. So in my stash of wonderful items that I have to create with, I have these silverware holders, and they are made of burlap, and I'm going to use one to hold some journaling tucks. As you know, when you create an altered book, you remove many pages from the book, and I happen to have removed one that is mostly blank, and I'm going to use that page. I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to use that to create two journaling tucks. I'm also going to use one of the pages that had writing on it. I'm going to adhere them together using double stick tape. I'm going to use my gold metallic marker to put lines on these little journaling tucks. I'm also going to cut the edges using the decorative scissors, and this is just to give them a little more texture and interest. I want to make sure they go in and out of the pocket easily, so I'm going to test them and then I will trim them accordingly. I've decided to put some lines on the little half page on the opposite side, so I am using my green metallic marker and actually just a manila folder for straight lines. You could use a ruler obviously, but this was handy, so that's what I chose to use. Coming up is a picture of the completed page. I hope you enjoyed creating this page with me. If you did, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to my page. Also, you can follow me on Instagram if you'd like. In the description box, I have included links to the rest of the videos in this series, as well as links to some of the items that I've used. Thanks for watching. See you soon.